So you've heard the sounds of a house settling. Maybe you've seen a few tiles cracked or cracks in the walls. Foundation problems can be a slow process, and you can convince yourself you still have a few years before you need to deal with it, but that's when the silverfish start showing up. Hi, I'm Esperanza with Arizona Foundation Solutions. Your home's foundation is more than just a sturdy base. It's a critical barrier protecting it from various environmental threats. However, when this foundation is compromised, it can pave the way for unwelcome guests, pests. Have you noticed some critters in your home that have come out of nowhere? You're not alone. The first step would be the obvious. Contact a reputable exterminator. Get the critters dealt with properly, but see if the exterminator can pinpoint how they're getting in. You would be surprised on how often critters find their way into your home through cracks in concrete slabs, separated walls, and floors. In this video, we will discuss how critters of all different sizes can find their way into your home using your foundation problem. Entry points include slab cracks, floor and wall separation, windows and door gaps due to out of square proportion. Slab cracks. We don't readily see when a slab cracks due to what flooring we use. The first indication is when tiles crack, but if you have linoleum or carpet, it might be far too late before you see an issue. Separation. When the floor and wall becomes separated, it becomes easy for an infestation to occur. Ground level entry is common enough that if you find critters, check your baseboards. Gaps. Windows and doors out of square create gaps, leaving your home open to elements. Even a small gap can lead to critters finding their way. I once woke up to the sound of a cricket chirping in my home. After trying to find where it was hiding, I had to find out how it got in. I noticed that a gap was present in my doorway at the bottom. This was due to soil heave causing the door to shift. What critters to look for? For the sake of safety, keep an eye out for scorpions. Once scorpions find their way onto your property, it can be difficult to get rid of all of them. Once they make their way into your home, you have a serious problem. Insects such as ants, termites, silverfish, and roaches are the most common insects found in homes. Mice, rats, and other burrowing animals can find their way through even some of the smallest entry points. What signs to look for? Whether a crawl space or slab, animals will seek shelter in a dark and sometimes moist burrow. Keep an eye out for any holes you might find leading to under your home or into your crawl space. Landscaping near the foundation. Plant life near a foundation leads to moisture and insects. Some of the more common you'll find are ants and termites. Mudlines on the stem wall. Mudlines on a stem wall are an indication of termite infestation. Termites feed on wood that rests on your home's stem wall and are attracted to the moisture in the soil. Exterior cracks and stucco. Although exterior wall cracks might be an issue at first, it can lead to an infestation over time if it's not taken care of. What to do until you fix the foundation. After you find how critters are getting in, see about having the entrance sealed off. Ensure that any infestation has been taken care of before doing so, as this can lead to other problems. To prevent infestations resulting from foundation damage, consider the following preventative measures. Regular inspections. Conduct regular inspections of your home's foundation for any signs of damage such as cracks, gaps, or moisture issues. Repair damage promptly. If you notice any damage, repair it promptly to prevent further deterioration and potential pest entry points. Maintain proper drainage. Ensure that your home's drainage systems are functioning correctly to prevent water from accumulating around the foundation. Seal entry points. Seal off any cracks or gaps in your home's exterior to prevent pests from entering. Reduce moisture. Keep your home dry and well ventilated to reduce moisture levels, making it less attractive to pests. Once the entry points have been sealed, begin the process of a foundation repair plan. Damage to your home's foundation can lead to a host of problems, including pest infestations. By addressing foundation issues promptly, and taking preventative measures, you can protect your home from unwanted guests and maintain a safe, pest-free environment. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.